I gotta get out of this parking lot or I'm gonna get run over. Hey, come here. I'm glad you could make it. Did you see yesterday's video? Well, pat yourself on the back. You made it to today's video talk about Vince Camuto Smoked Oud. My name is Christian O, fragrance lover. Since 1996, this channel talks all about men's fragrances and women's fragrances, bringing you the best fragrances of our time and finding you and locating fragrances that were once high and now they're not. And that brings us to Vince Camuto Smoked Oud. This fragrance has smoked roses in it. Interestingly enough, it finishes with an aged oud amber tonka finish. So who is Vince Camuto? He's a fashion designer from Italy. He makes mediocre designer mass appealing fragrances, except for this one, which is called Smoked Oud. He also makes one that's called Oud, but this one is far better. It has roses in it. They're smoked roses. Now you might say, do I want to wear, I'm a man, am I going to wear fragrances with roses? I know, that's how I think too. When I tried it, I was like, it's not bad, but that rose kind of is a masculine rose because it's got the oud woods and the ambers and the spices in it, and it sets it off really well. And I'm about to show you this quick view. Pretty cool, huh? So you've got this perfect balance between deep and smokes with a touch of the oriental. The fragrance is highly versatile, good for night or day, depending on how you lay it on. It's a complex scent with depth and character because of all the roses and such things in it. The rose is very realistic and not sugary or sweet. I'm trying to get to the top of this hill here. So yeah, like I said, the longevity on my skin was 8 hours. Projection is medium to light. Sits close to the skin. The thing is, are you brave enough to wear the rose scent? Which I am, trying it today. I'm going to see a movie tonight later with some friends and we'll see how this pans out. I won't reapply. But remember one thing, women love roses. So what do you think they'll do when they smell roses on you? That's right, we made it to the top of the hill and here's the present. It's about 26 degrees. There's people here. Could you do me a favor and smell this fragrance and tell me if you think it's for a man or a woman?
Don't spray it.
Okay. It's for a YouTube channel about fragrances.
What do you think?
I can smell
That's
it.
a woman fragrance.
Yeah. It's all actually a man's. It's got roses in it. So we're trying to figure out if men would like it.
Would you like it?
No thanks.
I know. Just your opinion. Thank you very much.